Good morning. Today we will talk about flags and pendants as technical analysis patterns which can be used to trade. The flags and pendants are typically known as continuation patterns which indicate that the trend that is preceding before their occurrence will continue. Both the flags and pendants typically occur during a re-rating of a stock when the stock prices are moving in an extremely dynamic fashion, which almost is equal to a straight line movement on the charts. Thus, uh, the these patterns occur only during extremely fast price movements and are very good short-term trading bets because of this. The straight line up move is typically supported by a great jump in volumes, and after which there is a period of consolidation, and the consolidation is represented either in the in the flag or a pendant. Both the flags and the pennant are one of the most reliable trading indicators. Let's now try to understand how a flag appears. As we can see clearly in the attached diagram here, uh, after after a rapid movement, which is almost an horizontal like in fashion, we see that the stock is consolidating in a small narrow region, which which is represented by drawing two parallel lines. The reason why this sort of formation in the chart is called as a flag is because it appears like a flag due to the fact that the flagpole is typically a straight line, after which the consolidation happens, and then there is a breakout. The volumes volumes play a very important role in this stock. The up move, that is the straight line flagpole kind of move, is typically done on extremely large volumes, and during the consolidation the volume tends to taper down a bit, and the volumes will go up whenever there is a breakout. The breakout occurs when the stock moves out of this narrow flag like area with increased volume support. Whenever the breakout happens, typically the stock tends to move as much as it has done in the uh, to the move preceding the stock. For example, if a stock has moved up a basis points uh, in the run preceding the flag, then once the breakout happens, typically the stock will move up at least further equivalent to a basis points. So when you trade in this stock, we typically buy when there's a breakout, and the target price for this trade is equal to the up move before the flag formation. Extremely similar to the flag is the pennant formation. They both are exactly similar in how you trade. It's just that when the consolidation occurs after a rapid up movement, the consolidation shape is not like two parallel lines. Instead, it appears like a symmetrical triangle, and the potential target is exactly the same as the flags. That is, the once the pennant formation is broken out, we see that the stock price will move up equal to the previous move before the pennant consolidation happens. The other main difference between these two is that the on the chart the pennant appears to be more horizontal, whereas the flags appear to have a slight bend towards the opposite direction. For example, in a flag, if the stock is moving up, the flag will be in the opposite direction. Otherwise, flags and pennants are extremely similar in the way they behave and the volume movements uh, which are there preceding the movement and upon the movement are exactly the same. Thus, when we refer to flags and pendants, we refer to them as together because they're extremely similar in the way they occur and the way they need to be traded. So just to consolidate, just to summarize whatever we have discussed now, both the patterns, the flag and the pennant, are typically preceded by an almost straight line like movements in price with extremely high volume support. The patterns usually occur at midpoints of the market movement and are extremely reliable trading patterns. Thus, we call them as flags in half-past mode because whenever the flags or pendants occur, typically the stock moves uh, up by the same amount as the preceding straight line. The breakout also will be supported by high volumes, and upon the breakout, the trend further resumes. This, my friends, is a short summary the on the flags and pendants trading platform.